Rhos-on-Sea and Arrange mon amour. We came here. We've been here a few times. Rhos-on-Sea and Angel Bay is where the seals are, where we're going next. Look at all the people. Oh, it's lovely here. Vegan. Peace begins on your plate. Nat West have shot here though. And I got myself the most wonderful, wonderful duvet set with butterflies because I'm a butterfly off Facebook and Facebook Marketplace. I was so pleased. I'm a butterfly. And there's my power charger from Go Outdoors. That was in Bangor. And my Bernardo's, brand new, with a cat theme, of course, to remember Mimi by. And Peppa Pig, to think. Children eat her. Dreadful. When they should be eating Katie Carrot. Go vegan, peace begins on your plate. What lovely architecture here. Fifi, fufu, Mimi. Ah, la, la. That's a lovely camper van. Auto sleeper. Oh la la. North Wales Rhos. Rhos-on-Sea. It's pronounced Rhos. R-H-O-S. On sea near Colwyn. Well, I'm not sure if it's Colwyn, but anyway. There you go.
Alexander Armstrong on Classic FM.